Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is nothing too serious. We are currently headed to run some quick errands and I have Gracious with me, so I figured that's a good excuse to vlog, even though it's super dark. But yeah, so we're just gonna bust some moves, me and Gracious, and we're just gonna bring you guys with us. Enjoy. Having fun? Mini adventure with mommy. Right now we are heading up to Strong to get one of Sita's medicine to get her some food, but instead of me going by myself, bring Gracious so we can just chill, right? Mommy and Gracious?
Mommy and Daddy.
No, just mommy and Gracious. I don't know about all them other people you talking about. I think this is actually the first time where I was in and out and was able to catch the same bus again, because we just got the same bus driver and he only was parked down there for 5 minutes, so kudos to me. Say hi. Gracious picked mommy some flowers. You got mommy some flowers? Oh no. Excuse me, rude girl.
My guesses.
Oh, they're for Gracious.
Mine.
Mine. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Sit back.
Mine.
Sit back. Yeah, sit back. We're about to pull off. You gotta sit back. Sit back. Sit back. You have to sit back, baby. Sit back. Good job. Good job, girl. You want my phone? Play it yourself. If it wasn't for the screen protector, my phone would be done. She playing. No. So cool.
Am I going to Mother and Mommy?
You gotta go back home.
Bye.
You can see her food. We're gonna pick up Sita's goods right here. You gotta go get Sita her food.
She's packable.
Sita, was he in a popsicle?
She's packable.
I think you ate all the popsicles though.
What is that?
Yeah, you ate them all. There's no more left for Sita.
What is that?
Who did it? Gracious did it.
Yes, it did it. What did you do?
Gracious ate all the popsicles? Or Sita ate all the popsicles?
Packable? What is happening?
Time for your hair to get braided, baby. Wait, no, sit properly, sit properly. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Ow. You give mommy kisses? Stop. You be nice. Oh, okay. Thank you. You be nice. You be nice, baby. That's it, baby. Get out your nose. Get out your nose. Silly. Ew. Stop doing that.
Hello, Mommy.
Yeah, everybody get on.
That's yummy.
That's yummy. What, you a booger?
This 7.
Yeah. Have a good night. Good night. Oh, wait. Oh. All right, we're out of there. So we out of here.
Bye.
Are those the flowers for mommy?
No,
Thank you so much. All right, let's go see Sita. Let's go, Sita. Let's go, Sita. Let's go, Sita.
Let's go.
Trying to get some good lighting. It's dark out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini night store run, pharmacy run with Asia and Gracious. Was just a little in and out trip. Nothing special. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You hear? All right, you guys have a great night. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up just because I had a productive night. And I'll see you guys in our next one. Bye. You hear the airplane? Where is it? My baby love airplane. Where is it? We missed it. We missed it. It was behind us. Yeah. We missed the airplane.